How to use a multi-choice physical gift card online. First, head to your browser and in the search bar at the top, type in card.gift/active. You can change the word after the / depending on which card you have. For example, if you have a him card, you would enter card.gift/him. Once your web page has loaded, head to the How to Use button at the top of the page, which will pull you down to a How to Use section. There you will find all the retailer logos available to select. Once you have chosen your online retailer, you will be presented with a Redeem Online section that will guide you through the next steps of the process, including some important information about your chosen retailer. Once you select Proceed, you will then be taken to a page that looks like this. Please make sure you have your physical card ready to initiate the swap process. On the back of your physical gift card, you will find your card number that starts with 5021. Fill in the remaining 15 digits. To the right of your card number, you will see a black and silver scratch panel. This is where your PIN is located. Scratch the panel gently to reveal your 4-digit PIN. Before continuing to the next step, please ensure the retailer you have selected is correct. If everything looks correct, press Continue and you'll be taken to the next step. On this page, you will be asked to fill out your first name, last name, email address, and mobile number. Please make sure your email is correct, as this is the email address your voucher code will be sent to. Please select your desired value. You don't have to use all your card at once. You can select smaller denominations until your entire card is used. The remaining balance can be used in-store or online at any available retailer of your choosing. Once you have confirmed all your details are correct, hit Submit. Another pop-up box will appear asking you to confirm the denomination you've selected and the retailer you've selected is correct. This box will also inform you of the remaining balance on the card. This swap is final, meaning you cannot change your mind on the retailer or amount after proceeding. If you are happy with your swap, select Confirm. Once your voucher swap has been processed, you will be taken to a confirmation page that looks like this. Please take note of your customer service reference number that is located at the bottom of the page, just in case you need to contact us and ask any questions related to your voucher. Head to your emails where you would have received your new gift card. If you cannot find this email in your inbox, please check any junk or spam folders. Once you have located the email, please download any pictures and ensure pop-up blockers are turned off before clicking View Your Gift. Here you will find all of the relevant information regarding your new voucher. Please read the How to Use instructions carefully. Happy shopping!